didn't know we had to be at our bus an hour before the time. It's 10 minutes and we are in a rush. Hopefully we can make it in time. Obrigado. This guy just saved our ass.
There's no way we would have made it.
There's absolutely no way. He somehow found us while we were walking. Maybe he just saw two gringos in the bus station.
We must have looked very lost.
We looked in the Uber and realized we had to be there an hour beforehand. We got there 15 minutes before. And we would have been screwed because the next bus is not for 5 hours. Woo. We made it. We fucking made it.
We're going across probably the longest bridge that I've ever been on. Probably Dylan too.
I like that much. One thing that you can't really see from the GoPro is how much trash is in the water, but literally looking from the bus, all you see is trash everywhere. So we made it to Arraial do Cabo. Went to dinner last night, got some pizza. This older couple, and they asked us where we were from. Long story short, we end up in this very long conversation. They told us our house is always open for you, and this is like 1 minute after talking to them. They asked us if we wanted to go to this beach with them. So we are going to go meet Elizabeth and Felipe. See how it goes. The first night of real sleep. I look tired, I already know. A bit stuffed up each day.
That's that. Cabo Frio. Here we come.
Cabo Frio. Cabo Frio.
So we are here in Cabo Frio
With our Brazilian hats. Say hi to the video. This is we are making the video from the trip with Elizabeth and Felipe.
Our friends from Belo Horizonte. That water is looking really nice right now. We're gonna be here for a few hours. Give you an update later.
So we are taking a break from the beach, getting a little snack. This is the most fire thing we've ever had, I think. It's acai, ice cream.
Granola, condensed milk, and we added banana.
That's nothing.
We've had a lot of acai, but this place is the best by far.
This is like, it's like $2 for this. We'll show you the final result. It is beautiful. This is what we call in Brazil muito bom. Muito bom. Very good. Morning swim. about to go on this boat trip. We were walking to get something to eat, and some dude asked us if we wanted to go on a boat. I told him, take some videos, photos, blah, 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 have a drone. Convinced them to let us do it for free. Now we're in a rush because it's hot as hell, and we have to be there in like 20 minutes and go to the ATM as well. So we're also both extremely sunburnt, overheated. So see you on the boat. Destination. So we are at an island. It's a marine reserve. It's called Arraial or something like this, and we can fly the drone, we can jump off the boat. They're actually going to take us on this boat here because that's how strict they are about keeping the safety of the reserve. So of course we'll respect that. No drone flying here. We'll save it for the next spot. And
Just gonna have to stick with the GoPro.
the GoPro. Got back from this boat trip. We got to some of the most beautiful waters I've ever seen in my life. Crystal clear. The GoPro died on us. Not died because of the battery. Died because it was a piece of shit.
But it was like the most beautiful beaches we've been to on this whole trip.
The most unopportune time for the GoPro to die. We'll go grab dinner and then get to bed because we have an early start tomorrow. We're catching sunrise at Pontal da Atalaya, which is another beautiful beach, famous one.
When we arrived in your places, lá, in your house too, take a picture and send for me.
A picture of nossa casa aqui?
Não.
Não?
Nossa
Estados Unidos?
É, dos Estados Unidos. Doendo aqui?
Eu?
É. Snake.
Snake?
Quem tá lá na portaria, Alfredo? Você ficou assim? Perigo, hein, Alfredo? Perigo que esse cara agarra esse menino aí na marra. Eles pegam na marra.
The big tits.
Okay. Big tits, but big.
Big tits e big. How can I say peanuts? Peanuts?
Penis.
Tá vendo?
Penis or cock, dick.
Big tits and big tits. E sei lá se eu ia responder.
This was another 5 a.m. sunrise mission. Was able to get an Uber. Yesterday we couldn't find an Uber at all, so I woke his ass up, rushed out of bed. We're about to go get this sunrise. Hopefully it's worth it.
Second failed attempt at sunrise. Caught an Uber this morning.
First of all, we woke up at 4:45 in the morning.
We felt super lucky to get an Uber because yesterday we tried and there were no Ubers available.
We got to the security gate and they wouldn't let us drive through.
So we had to get out, walk on a road
5
like
kilometers.
this,
5 kilometers. At 6 in the
uphill
morning.
for a lot of it. And we're probably only like 2/3 of the way there right now.
and like 7 cars have passed us right
Yeah,
now.
right after the dude said, "Oh no, you guys can't go up on car. You have to walk."
So, for those of you that have no idea what goes into capturing a sunrise, it is not easy. Oh, here comes another car that gets to pass us.
Right behind us. Look at that. Anyway, we're gonna continue because and right on cue. Muito obrigado. Ask and you shall receive. Right as we were taking that last video, a car comes up and they invite us to go with them. So that was very nice of them. We're extremely thankful, and we are now here. There's a lot more people here than we thought. That is where we're going. Those are the famous stairs. Getting the drones set up. Enjoy the beach probably for a couple hours before we gotta head out, and because we gotta catch a bus soon to go back to Rio. Let's do it. Amazing. Dylan over here putting gun. Oh look. That was like a 30 fish. Dylan flying the drone over there. We're gonna go feed the fish. So we are on a boat taxi right now.
It's time to leave this place. We had an amazing time. It was so beautiful. The water was amazing. The beach was clear water. We could see the fish swimming just all around us. And but we're in a hurry. We got to get out of here. We got to go back to Rio. It's time. We got to go grab our stuff out the Airbnb, pack up quickly, grab something to eat, and vamos to the next spot. We go.
Vamos a Salvador.